Ever wondered how to keep your immune system in top shape? It's a question many of us ponder, especially during flu season, or when we feel a bit run down. The answer is simpler than you think: antioxidants. These incredible compounds are found in a variety of foods, and they play a crucial role in maintaining our health. These powerful nutrients are like superheroes for your body, fighting off harmful things and keeping you healthy. Imagine them swooping in to save the day, neutralizing free radicals that can cause damage to your cells. Think of antioxidants as tiny shields that protect your cells from damage. They form a barrier against oxidative stress, which can lead to chronic diseases and aging. This damage can weaken your immune system, making it easier to get sick. When your cells are compromised, your body has to work harder to fend off illnesses. By eating foods rich in antioxidants, you're giving your body the tools it needs to stay strong and healthy. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet can make a significant difference. Ready to supercharge your health? It's not just about eating right. It's about making a lifestyle change that includes regular exercise and a balanced diet. Let's explore the world of antioxidant superfoods and how they can benefit your immune system. From vibrant berries to leafy greens, these foods are packed with nutrients that can help you feel your best every day. Imagine your cells like little factories, working hard day and night to keep you healthy and functioning at your best. These tiny factories are constantly producing energy, repairing damage, and fighting off invaders. However, in the process of doing all this work, these factories sometimes produce waste products known as free radicals. These free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause a lot of trouble if not managed properly. Free radicals can attack and damage your cells, leading to inflammation and a weakened immune system. Over time, this damage can contribute to aging and various diseases. This is where antioxidants come in. Antioxidants are like the maintenance crew for your cellular factories. They act like cleanup crews, neutralizing those harmful free radicals and protecting your cells from damage. By doing so, they help maintain the integrity and health of your cells. Antioxidants are found in many healthy foods, especially fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and other compounds that help your body fight off free radicals. By eating a variety of these antioxidant-rich foods, you can ensure your body has a steady supply of these powerful protectors. This not only helps in keeping your cells healthy, but also supports overall well-being and longevity. So next time you're at the market, remember to fill your basket with a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. Let's start our superfood journey with a tiny but mighty fruit, the blueberry. These little blue gems are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant color and immune-boosting powers. But blueberries aren't the only heroes in town. Other colorful berries like strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are also excellent sources of antioxidants. Aim to include a variety of berries in your diet to reap their amazing benefits. Section 4. Spinach. Not just for Popeye. Remember Popeye and his love for spinach? Well, he was onto something. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene. Vitamin C is known for its immune-boosting properties, while beta-carotene gets converted to vitamin A in the body, another important nutrient for a healthy immune system. Add spinach to your smoothies, salads, or simply sauté it as a side dish. Section 5. Nuts and seeds, tiny but mighty. Don't underestimate the power of these small but mighty snacks. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are packed with antioxidants, including vitamin E and selenium. Vitamin E helps protect your cells from damage, while selenium plays a crucial role in supporting a healthy immune response. Sprinkle some nuts and seeds on your yogurt, add them to your trail mix, or enjoy them as a quick and healthy snack. Section 6. Add superfoods to your plate. Incorporating these antioxidant-rich superfoods into your daily meals doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, it can be a fun and rewarding experience that brings a variety of flavors and nutrients to your table. Start by making small changes, like adding berries to your breakfast cereal or having a handful of nuts as a snack. These simple additions can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Try new recipes with spinach, such as a fresh spinach salad or a delicious spinach smoothie. Spinach is packed with vitamins and minerals that are essential for your body. Experiment with different types of berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Each type of berry offers unique health benefits and can be used in a variety of dishes, from desserts to salads. And explore the world of nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all excellent choices that can be easily incorporated into your meals. Remember, Every little bit counts. Even small changes can lead to significant improvements in your health over time. By making conscious choices to include these superfoods in your diet, you're not only nourishing your body, but also setting a positive example for those around you. You're taking a proactive step towards a healthier and more resilient you. A diet rich in superfoods can boost your immune system, improve your energy levels, and enhance your overall quality of life. So, embrace the power of antioxidants. These powerful compounds help protect your cells from damage and can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. And enjoy the delicious journey to a stronger immune system. Sharing these healthy meals with friends and family can also create lasting memories and encourage a community of wellness.